So guys, this is my brand new KTM 250 TPI. I'm going to test it now. It's first ride, so it's new. It has everything on the stock.
You got that style everybody likes. We'll light it up, take a look at the sky. Cause we're feeling the vibe, feeling the vibe, feeling the vibe. Under these midnight lights.
So what you say? Saw them other guys that were posted up in your way. They was coming at you, really up in a rave. Hey, baby girl, look out to space. In special moments, I'm saving them for the day. Let me take your hand, baby girl, you never know though. In the night, moving around and taking photos. And I got a whip, baby, it ain't no metro. And we sounded like a combo.
You got that style everybody likes. We'll light it up, take a look at the sky. We're feeling the vibe, feeling the vibe, feeling the vibe. Under these midnight lights. Under these midnight lights.
Baby girl, oh now we roll. On point like the rose, and all them other boys, they were frozen. Baby, take it in for the moment. Don't got time, so it goes in. Driving the whip like it's stolen. Gotta look out, they patrolling. Loving the way that we roaming. Yeah, give me a time and I can pick you up. On my way to you, got me lifted up. Then I came around in my sister's truck. Had me thinking, oh girl, is this enough? What am I really saying, baby girl, you look amazing. Got me in a trance like I'm staring at a painting. And I'm happy that you never ever kept me waiting. And you real, ain't no faking.
You got that style everybody likes. We'll light it up, take a look at the sky. Cause we're feeling the vibe, feeling the vibe, feeling the vibe. Under these midnight lights. You got that style everybody likes.
Yeah.
We'll light it up, take a look at the sky. Cause we're feeling the vibe, feeling the vibe, feeling the vibe. Under these midnight lights. I got it bad for a girl like you. You can tell me that you want me to. I want you bad, yeah. Been on the look for a stunner like you. No one can move just the way you do. I want you bad. There's no need to be alone. I just wanna be there for you. I could think a million things we could do, baby, me and you. Yeah. Just wanna kick it with you. No telling what we could do. for a girl like you. I can tell that you want me to. I want you bad, yeah. Feeling my heart and it's hurting too. Making me feel the way you do. I want you bad. There's no need to be alone. I just wanna be there for you. I could think a million things we could do, baby, me.
Also, the front forks are just more stable than on the previous models. Yeah, it's really good bike. No clutch. Whoa! What the fuck? Oh yeah. First gear. Second. Second gear. And look this. What the fuck? You don't need the clutch.
Промijeni mapu.
Pa prvo je.
Na dvici stavim.
Ali znaš te jebe. Ma ne mogu se opustiti u umeto. Ali na primjer od ti, ne znam gdje ćeš ovdje ići. Bilo bolje da idemo u čošku. Jedino stav 4 čunja, onaj... Pa da.
could think a million